Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday fun day. It's still raining in California and my garden is a wet and muddy mess. So really there isn't much I can do today. However, my chickens love coming out in the rain. So in today's video, I'm going to let them out to play and we are going to have fun watching them. So I hope you'll enjoy this short and sweet video featuring my feathered friends in the rain. They get so excited when I let them out to play. The first thing they do is rush over to eat all the leftover bird seed that fell out of the bird feeders. So whatever the wild birds didn't eat, or I should say whatever the wild birds scratched through and kicked out on the ground, the chickens always have fun cleaning up. And in case you didn't know, my rooster's name is Mohawk, and as you can see, he gets very protective of his girls. Whenever I get near them, he tries to boss up on me and just lets me know who's in charge. Hey, I respect that. He's just doing what a good rooster does. I actually got Mohawk and his brother Mop Top when they were just 2 days old. I thought I was getting a couple of hens to eventually add to my flock. However, as soon as they got a little older and they began to fight, I just knew I had 2 little roosters on my hands. Mop Top was adopted by a local farmer, so he now has a harem of hens of his own. And I kept Mohawk, and honestly, I couldn't imagine my garden without him. Besides getting fresh eggs every morning, in my opinion, chickens add so much happiness and joy to a garden. Yeah, sure, they can be a little annoying at times, and they can definitely make a mess in the garden, especially when they're taking their dust baths. But they definitely make life more interesting and fun. And speaking of dust baths, that's one of my favorite things about having chickens. Watching them flap their wings, fluff their feathers, and basically roll around in the dirt just like a dog. I think it's hilarious and extremely amusing. And in case you didn't know, Mohawk is a Tolbunt Polish rooster. But the fun thing about him is every year he changes color. When he was younger, he was very dark, and now he's starting to get lighter. Never a dull moment with this guy. So you see, even though it's raining in my garden, I can still have fun in my garden because I have chickens. Thanks for watching.